Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on MetaMask. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Buying BNB on MetaMask is easy. First, make sure that you are logged into your MetaMask app. Give it a tap to open and log into your MetaMask Wallet application. Once you're inside MetaMask homepage, make sure that you've added the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask first. If you've not done that yet, you must do it first. Now, from the main interface, tap on the Buy button at the top of the page once you've connected your BSC to MetaMask. From the top of the screen where it says you want to buy, select BNB. Now, enter the amount you'd like to spend in the amount text box. But make sure that you've selected your fiat currency from the drop down at the right corner where it says USD on my screen. Select your currency and enter the amount you'd like to spend. Soon after you do that, go ahead and select your payment method from the bottom where it says debit or credit. Select between one of the payments method. You can choose any one you'd like and tap on Get Codes. Select a code that you'd like to use and tap on the Buy button. Since I've chosen Transact, it'll take me to a next page. Go ahead and check your wallet address. Since it will show you your wallet address and other details, all you need to do here on the screen is cross-check your order details are correct or not, and finally tap on Buy BNB at the bottom. Soon after you do that, Transact will ask you for your email address to send the verification code. Simply enter an email address and tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Verify your email address by typing in the verification code sent to your email. Let me quickly open up my email inbox and you'll be able to receive an email from Transact. Your verification code will be displayed in the email inbox. As you can see it on my display over here, simply copy the code. Go back to MetaMask and type in the verification code or simply paste it in. Tap on I agree with Transact's terms of use and privacy policy box beneath and tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Type in some of your personal information on the next page and simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to buy BNB on MetaMask. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.